No, I didn't. Driftwood right there.
Watch over the big driftwood log. Hi, I'm Angela.
Hi, I'm Lenny. We're somewhere. We're gonna go on a boat
near
ride.
Desperation Pass. We're gonna go on
Desperation Pass in Washington.
Yes, in Washington. We're gonna go on a boat ride around a couple of the islands and through the pass.
Yes.
We're looking for wildlife.
We're gonna see Deception Pass and the bridge and look for wildlife. And that's what we're doing. There we go. How do you feel about it?
A little nauseous.
All right. Are you already seasick? Okay.
No.
Okay, there is a boat right there, a ship that is so old. I don't know how it got there. What's the story behind this thing?
I don't know. Carrie knows.
What's the story?
I'll have to look it up.
Anyway, there's a story behind a boat.
Time.
Once upon a time there was a boat and it used to be in the water. Now it's not. It's completely grown over into the countryside there.
That is amazing.
That is wild looking. A path of footprints. Private property up to here.
What's weird? They don't come back.
Wow.
Oh, I see. They're coming.
Yeah, they don't come back. Wow, look at that.
My God, there's like double chains.
Yeah. The anchor wells they have down there are wild.
I mean, it'll kill you. I mean, those chains are so big.
Yeah.
You know, you see them in movies, like when they let them out, and you can see the sparks flying.
So this is Green Point, which is a point where the Earth's mantle has risen to the surface the way the tectonic plates work. Pushes one down, one up, and here it's actually pushed up. And this is what these rocks are. Is part of the Earth's, what used to be the mantle, which is really far down.
Look at those birds.
But now it's up.
With the big, long orange beaks.
Yeah, over there. Boy, it just looks like lava stuff, don't it?
Is it lava stuff?
Well, it's part of the mantle. It came up.
The mantle, it's over 1,000 degrees.
Yeah. The mantle is basically, I think, the lava shell that's underneath everything. I think. What do I know? I'm no scientist. We saw a shark on the way here, on the path.
Good luck.
Or a bobcat. I don't know what it was. Ginormous seagulls.